My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Jaguar I-Pace. This vehicle has done 26,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can access our smartphone integration, media, and energy impact. We also have Apple and Android CarPlay, valet mode, EV, eco data, and cameras. Just below the screen, we have our heated seats, as well as climate control. The I-Pace comes with 4 different driving modes to choose from, starting with rain, ice and snow, eco mode, comfort, and dynamic. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.